Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever, so today I'm bringing y'all a voiceover. I just currently my past couple of videos just been in my zone as far as filming, just showing y'all and listening to music because I love doing my makeup and listening to music. It really put me in a vibe. But in today's makeup tutorial, I'm just going to be showing y'all this little fall cut crease makeup look and just talking through it of the steps that I'll be doing. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'm going to tune back in, when I really have something important to say. I ain't even got my words together. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up my brows in this point, but I really miss y'all, and I just think that y'all are going to really enjoy the content that I have coming up next for y'all. So I use my L.A Girl Pro concealer to clean up my brows, and then I'm using my Kiss Super Hold Lash Glue to lock them in place. I think I'm gonna get the Anastasia brow. It was like a brow gel, like a brow pomade that they have that is supposed to lock your brows in place. So I'm gonna get that. Also, I just took some of the L'Oreal 24-hour concealer in the shade Porcelain, y'all already know, to prime my eyes for eyeshadow. And I'm using the Airspun powder just to set that as well. And then today I'll be going in with the Morphe palette, the 3503 Light Fierce by Nature palette. I just found out that this makeup palette is actually sold out. Well, not sold out, it's actually discontinued. So a lot of my makeup palettes are old, y'all, and I'm just not realizing that, because when I try to go find them online for y'all, a lot of them are discontinued, and I'm like, what happened? I really just be wearing makeup out for special occasions. So now that I've started to take my YouTube more seriously and I'm using my palettes now, I'm like, wait a minute, I need to be caught up to date, because I'm using all the OG palettes from 2015, 2016, and they're not even in stock anymore. So right now I'm just taking that black in my crease and I'm cutting the crease. When y'all cut y'all crease, y'all already know my rule. The crease should be above your real crease, so that way when you close your eyes you can see the actual cut crease that you did, and you just didn't do all that hard work for nothing. So I'm just taking my time cutting the crease. I like to use stamping motions to connect the circle or the crease together, and then I just like to go all the way in and fill in that concealer and tap off the excess concealer as well. I didn't show that, but make sure you tap off the excess concealer when you're doing a cut crease, so your eyeshadows can lay down smoothly. And then I'm taking the shade out the Masquerade palette, which this is another one that I didn't even know Juvia's Place discontinued. So I'm so sorry that if y'all try to go find these palettes and y'all be like, girl, these palettes are nowhere to be found. A lot of them are discontinued, and I'm really sad, because why all the good makeup they discontinue it? Just for what? Moving on to face, I want to talk about this product right here, the Snail All-in-One Cream. I know y'all been seeing on TikTok how they've been hyping up the Snail Mucin, but I finally got the cream. That's really like a moisturizer, and y'all, when I tell y'all, this really made my face and my makeup come out really well. I noticed that my makeup was very smooth. It wasn't as textured as it usually is, because I already have textured skin, which I'm trying to get better in skincare to do better with my makeup. But that was the only thing that I changed in my makeup routine, was the moisturizer, and I really did tell a difference. So y'all should go cop y'all some of that Snail Mucin cream. I was actually trying to get the actual Snail Mucin, the clear one, but they didn't have it, so I ended up getting a cream, and the cream works just as well. And I just like to, now I kind of switched up my prep. So when I'm doing eyeshadow looks, I actually like to do my eyeshadow looks first, and then I go in with skin prep before I do my foundation, concealer, and stuff like that, because sometimes those eyeshadows get fallout, and then when I've already did my skin prep, before I did my eyeshadow, and then the fallout is there. It's like, now I gotta take all that off. So now I'm just taking the Fawn L.A Girl Pro Concealer to highlight. Y'all, your girl has been on a budget. So I ran out of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep. And that stuff goes for like $30 for the little tube. And yeah, but L.A Girl still works, y'all. I use it to clean up under my brows. When I first started doing makeup, I used to use it as a highlighter too. So something just told me to go back to it, and I haven't been disappointed. So definitely don't sleep on the drugstore products because they work just as well. And then I'll be taking the Black Opal foundation stick to contour. I've been contouring my jawline lately, and I love it. Like, why haven't I done that sooner? And then I'm taking the Morphe Luminous setting spray to just spray my face to make sure all that blend out smoothly.
You know, say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, I try to do one way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty, so far we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say, I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon. G-Wagon, all you been doing, the girl, ride with me. I know, only what I thought now.
So also, I just want to let you know that the Fenty Beauty Cognac Candy, this right here, my favorite highlighter of all time. Tell me why they discontinued that as well. I was just thinking that they were out of stock the whole time, but y'all, they actually discontinued that. So now I'm gonna just have to wear her only on special occasions because I probably will never get it again. But Fenty Beauty, if you ever come across my video and you see this, I beg you to bring that highlighter back, the Fenty Cognac Candy, because that's my favorite highlighter and I love it to death. So tag Fenty Beauty, tell them to please bring it back because I love it. All right, babe, so this is the final look. How y'all feeling about this fall makeup look? Oh, I love this. I love this. I think I really did good on the eye. Let me get out. Like, yes, get into it. But I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for subscribing if you are a subscriber already. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Babe Society so you can get more makeup looks like this and learn how to do your own makeup. So I love you all and see you next time.